The types of food which see the inside of a custom kiln are often those that are naturally high in protein and amino acids, especially meat. By creating nutritious high-protein foods that are enjoyable to eat, smoked food makes a great addition to any balanced diet. Smoked meat, in particular, offer high iron content. Smoking is a very low-fat cooking process because it often avoids cooking with oil, fats, and sauces. Additionally, smoking can actually serve to reduce the fat in foods, left as it is to drip out during the process, leaving an altogether healthier final product. Traditionally, smoking was created as a method by which to preserve foods, and it still retains this benefit today. This means that smoked foods have a longer shelf life than normal cooked meats, so you can keep them in the fridge for longer and could even help reduce your family's food waste. When it comes to eating smoked foods, it is all about the quality. With our award-winning experience and expertise, we guarantee high-quality dishes every time. With an extensive range of foods to choose from, we have something to suit every occasion and every palate. The airflow, or more specifically the breakpoint, is the most important feature in any smokehouse or dehydrator. This one feature alone is what cooks product in the oven and is ultimately responsible for product yields, consistency and color, as well as cook time. If you want to improve product yields, consistency or color, it all starts with being able to improve and control the breakpoint. The more control you have to set the location and duration of the breakpoint in any one specific spot in the oven, the greater your yields and consistency. The opposite is also true. The inability to control the location and duration of the breakpoint in an oven will always result in less than optimal yields and consistency. It seems to reason then that the design of the oven cabinet should help strengthen and improve the breakpoint. One of the ways to strengthen the breakpoint is a smokehouse or dehydrator deals with a corner angle between the sidewalls and floor. When air moves inside an oven, it needs to flow easily and unobstructed. Any obstacles or sharp angle in the path of where the air flows will either cause the air to stop, move in a different and unwanted direction, or greatly degrade the velocity of the air. Think of it like dumping water down the walls of the oven. A 90-degree angle will cause water to hit the floor, splash all over and slow down as it moves across the floor. A 45-degree angle helps a bit. Water will still hit the angle, splash a bit and slow down, but not as intensely as 90-degree angle. Thanks for watching, until next time.